If you're a music producer, songwriter, or a recording artist, you make quality music, want to get your music out there, maybe on TV and film networks, but you just don't know how, then I have a perfect solution for you. My name is Joseph Evans, and along with my co-instructor, Lee Evans, we're gonna show you step-by-step how to get your first placements in TV and film. Now, both of us, myself and my co-instructor, have multiple placements with networks like MTV, VH1, Bravo, BET, Oxygen Network, and several others. And in this course, we're gonna tell our story of how we got our placements, give you some basics of music licensing, how it works, who the major players are, how to contact them, and even some networking tips. Now, some of the benefits of licensing your music to TV and film, number one is getting residual income. Every quarter you can get a check from what's called a PRO, and this is basically where you're gonna get a royalty every time your music is played during a show on a major network. Another benefit is instantly giving you that credibility as a music professional. When people see that you have credits behind your name, they take you way more serious. A third benefit is all of those naysayers, whether they be your friends, enemies, or whatever, are all of a sudden gonna start giving you more respect. And you need that as a music professional. All right, so listen, if you would like to learn how to license your music to TV and film, want to get your first placements, then enroll in this course, and we'll see you on the other side. Thanks for watching. Peace.